guys, I'd like to show you this set of storage cubes that I just got. I love the packaging that it comes with. It's very cute. And so when you open it up, you can see that this is the really beautiful marble pattern that is on this set of cubes. There is a set of 4 in here. And I'd love to show you guys just how easy it is to pop them open into a cube. You just put down this base on the inside, and now you have a cube that is sturdy and able to store all of your things. And then there's a little tab in the bottom here, so you can pull that up and you can just as easily fold it down, so it's easy to store if you're not going to use them. This has a really great handmade quality here. You can see the stitching is really beautiful on this, and there's this brass edging right here. And so I really love these cubes, and I'm excited to show you what they look like on my shelf.